Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get X-Ray for Minecraft 1.16.3. It was released just a couple days ago, 5 days ago to be exact, and yeah, just a most recent version of X-Ray texture pack. So you're going to come to this website, it will be the first link in the description, and you're just going to click on this download button right here. It's for version 1.16.3. Now in a few seconds it'll automatically download, and you're just going to want to move it to your desktop. Now once you have this downloaded, you're going to want to have Minecraft open and click on resource packs and open pack folder. Now you're going to have this up and bring up your Chrome window here, or from your desktop if you moved it there, and just drag that into here. Now I already had it, but I'm just going to replace it right there, and it's now installed. Now if I scroll down here, you can see this one is completely compatible with no red incompatibility message. I can turn it on right there, and you'll be able to see that I can see through blocks and see the iron ore and all the other types of ores, and if I were further down I'd be able to see diamond. Now if this helped you out and it worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.